Hi. Hi. It feels like I'm in the qanat, in between pyramids. Just subsurface. User Calf is a small pyramid. It has a one slab portcullis. Larger pyramids have three slab portcullis. Once a year, they open the portcullis to let the air out. The air is coming from below the chamber. The air is coming from rising Nile qanat. Once a year, they close the portcullis. It prevents air from entering back again when the Nile qanat is in recess. The effect of this is to capture the Nile qanat. So for water reserve and also pneumatic power source. So what else? I always forget about saying this. I gotta do it in this take. It's been enough takes. What is I have to say? So yeah, I think I said it all. Thank you.